Today, I'm going to teach you how to connect Google Forms to Mailchimp. This integration is incredibly useful if you want to embed a form directly into your email campaigns, making it easier for recipients to submit information without leaving their inbox. First, open a web browser and navigate to Mailchimp.com. Once you're on the homepage, you'll need to either create a new account or sign into an existing one. If you're new to Mailchimp, click on Sign Up Free to get started with account creation. If you already have an account, simply log in using your credentials. After signing in, direct your attention to the left navigation menu where you'll find the Campaigns option. Click on it to access your campaign dashboard. This is where you can either create a brand new email or select an existing template that you'd like to add your Google form to. For this tutorial, we'll be working with an existing email template to keep things straightforward. On the Expanded Campaigns menu, select Email Templates. From here, navigate to the top side menu and click on Mailchimp Templates. You'll see a variety of template options available. Choose any template that suits your needs and the style you're going for. This template will serve as the foundation for embedding your form. Now look over to your left side content menu and locate the code block element. This is a crucial component because it allows you to insert custom HTML code into your email template. Once you've found it, drag the code block and position it exactly where you want your Google form to appear within the email layout. Placement matters here, so think about where it makes the most sense for your recipients to see and interact with the form. With the code block in place, it's time to head over to your Google form. Open the specific form you wish to embed and take a moment to review it, ensuring everything looks correct. Once you're satisfied, look at the top right corner of your Google Forms page. You'll notice a 3 vertical dot icon. Click on it to reveal an expanded menu with several options. From this expanded menu, click on Embed HTML. This action will present you with the embed code for your form, which is exactly what we need to make this connection work. Click on Copy to save this code to your clipboard. Now head back to Mailchimp and return to the email template where you placed the code block earlier. Click on the code block to open it and then paste the embed code you just copied from Google Forms into it. This will insert your form directly into the email template. And that's it. You've successfully connected your Google form to Mailchimp, allowing you to collect responses directly through your email campaigns. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.